Hi guys, welcome to Hot Celebrity List, a channel where South African celebrity news is served hot and fresh. Oros Mpofu and his wife Bianca welcomed their third child, a baby girl. The couple have been together since 2018 and shared a couple of businesses, including a restaurant and a YouTube channel. Oros shared on his Instagram post already on his daily duties. His post was full of gratitude. Being a girl's dad really does suit him. This is what he had to say. A girl dad to the world. Thank you, God, for entrusting me with such great assignment. Three of Daddy's angels. I promise to fight with all my heart for you as long as I still draw breath. I promise to be a place where you can run to when you need advice, protection, or just a place to rest your head. I promise to do my best and let God do the rest. Ah, man, that's beautiful. Seeing men these days taking their roles as dad very serious is such heartwarming. Anyway, guys, please do comment your thoughts down below. What do you think? And congratulations to Oros and Bianca. Please don't forget to subscribe, comment, share, and like this video. I love you.